Working from home is the new norm, and I will share excellent online job opportunities you can leverage and start making some extra cash from home. Vince Lombardi once advised, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Most of us wish for an opportunity to work somewhere in an office, earning a big paycheck. So we constantly pray for that day when someone will give us a call to interview us for a top job or hand us a mega contract. What we forget is that the best opportunities rarely come that way. You'll have to find them, and that's what Vince Lombardi was implying. We can make our own opportunities by working from home. And as Joshua Freeman puts it, there is so much flexibility in working from home. You are probably asking, but I don't have any money to invest. Well, the ideas that I'm going to share don't require any investment, and that's not the only best thing. These jobs allow you to work from home in your free time, living up to the title of your own boss. Even better, some of these jobs earn you passive income. Indeed, you can't ask for more. If you are eager for the ideas, let's get started right away. But before then, if you are new here, welcome to Income Creatives. Subscribe now to continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get informed every time I publish a new video. Also, be sure to check out your gift in the description below. You'll find excellent free resources that will change your life from good to the life you deserve. Now, here are 10 online jobs from home without investment. Number 1. Freelance writing. Are you passionate about writing, but you only do it for fun? How about you turn your passion into a job? By working as a freelance writer, you get paid to work from home. Depending on who you work for, your skill, and the job's nature, you can make $10 to $50 an hour. But still, there are those clients who will pay per project. I started as a freelance writer before transitioning into blogging. So yes, freelance writing pays the bills. Investment-wise, you only need a computer and fast internet. But where can you find freelance writing jobs? Since we are talking about freelancing, general freelancing sites like Upwork, People Per Hour, Guru, and Fiverr are a great starting point. We also have content mills like Constant Content, Writer Access, and Contently that are beginner-friendly. Also, you can try boards like FlexJobs, Working Nomads, Blogging Pro, Remote.co, and Pro Blogger. Number 2. Online tutoring. We are living at a time when people prefer to study online than go to physical class, so there is an increased demand for online tutors in academics and languages. One area that's increasingly becoming popular is ESL, otherwise known as English as a Second Language. Students in non-English speaking languages enroll for English classes, and they pay decently. So if you are a native English speaker, there's a massive opportunity to make more money tutoring ESL. You'll need a degree, nonetheless, before you can start teaching ESL on sites like VIPKid, QKids, Magic Ears, or English First. How about if you are an experienced teacher in academic disciplines? Then consider helping students with assignments and revisions on platforms like Tutor.com, Preply, Chegg, or Tutor Visa. Overall, you can make $10 to $20 an hour as an online tutor. Number 3. Remote customer service. Are you persuasive, patient, and fluent? Do you possess good telephone handling skills? If yes, then you should consider working as a remote customer service agent. Today, most companies provide the necessary equipment and even allowances for things like phone and internet expenses, so you don't invest in anything. A company like Zapier provides you with a laptop. West Marine, AAA, Automatic, and Broadpath also offer some perks, while American Express gives you an allowance for internet and phone costs. Depending on the employer, you can make anything between $10 and $20 an hour as a remote customer agent. Remember, you can still find remote customer service jobs on remote job boards like We Work Remotely, FlexJobs, Remotive, and Angel List. Number 4. Blogging. As a blogger, it would be an injustice not to recommend something I love doing and one that pays my bills. You probably don't know this, but you can start a free blog and still make money. Yes, you may not monetize it with paid ads. You will also not own the domain, but you'll have limited storage space. However, that doesn't mean that you can't make money. Platforms like Blogger, LinkedIn, and Medium allow you to set up a blog for free and monetize it with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you earn commissions from brand and product recommendations. Other than affiliate marketing, you can earn by selling digital products like e-courses, audiobooks, or ebooks. I should insist, however, that you have more monetization flexibility, more storage space, and even more plugins and themes with a paid blog. You also get to own your blog, so I recommend it. While setting up your blog, consider a hosting company like Bluehost for only $2.95 a month with a free personal domain. You can see this offer in the description below. Number 5. Run a YouTube channel. I always refer to the young Ryan Kaiji, a creator behind Ryan World, who has earned over $29.5 million in YouTube. You cannot imagine how the 9-year-old has made his money. Well, it's through unboxing and reviewing toys. Today, the Texan sensation has more than 29 million subscribers, which is nuts. Well, you don't need 1 million subscribers to make money on YouTube. You only need 1,000 plus 4,000 watch-hour videos to join the YouTube Partner Program. I know what you're asking, so I can start a YouTube channel for free? The answer is yes. With YouTube, you can also earn through affiliate marketing, the same way you do on your blog. YouTube allows you to create videos about anything. From funny clips to how-to tutorials, you can share your knowledge with the world and make passive income. Number 6. Sell online courses. Whether you are a trained teacher, expert instructor, or just a talented person, you can create an online course and sell it. This is another smart move for making passive income. While you can use your blog or YouTube channel to sell your online courses, you can still do it on online course platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, Thinkific, and Teachable. Depending on how you price your online course, you can make $50 to $1,000 a month. Of course, the more skilled you are, the likelier you'll be to make money selling courses online. Most of these platforms offer you video tutorials and other resources that teach you how to create online courses properly. So it's never even a problem if you lack the first-hand experience. Remember, you can also promote your online course on social media, your blog, and through your newsletter. Number 7. Sell smartphone pictures. Did you know that you can earn passive income from selling smartphone pics? Well, provided your phone can take beautiful photos, you can make some money on the side without any investment. A platform like Fope pays you 50% of what you sell. You need to take a photo with your phone and upload it. Once it gets approved, you can wait to receive your cut after selling. Another fantastic platform is 2020. They keep 20% of what you sell, which means that you get to take more than on Fope. Alamy, in contrast, pays 20% commission, but the prospects of selling your photos at a higher price are much higher. Other great sites to upload your photos to are Deposit Photos, Fotolia, Shutterstock, and 500OX. The secret is to upload beautiful and unique photos consistently. Number 8. Online surveys. Did you know that you can make money on the side by sharing your honest opinion? That's possible with online surveys. You only need access to the internet and probably a PayPal account to receive your payment. The surveys cover mainly consumer products and services, something anyone can answer. The good thing about online surveys is that you can always answer them from anywhere and during your free time. You can also take as many surveys as you want. However, watch out for scammers, as not all survey sites are genuine. I recommend Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, MyPoints, and Vindale Research. They are not just genuine, but also amongst the best payers. But how much can you make from online surveys? The sad reality is that you can't live off what you make from online surveys, as it's not that much. It'll only take care of a few smaller bills. On average, you can make $100 to $500 a month if you invest time in answering the surveys. Number 9. Data entry. Data entry, together with online surveys, are two of the lowest paying online jobs, but still, they are amongst the most consistent, and not forgetting, they don't call for any investment. You also don't need any work experience to do data entry, just basic English knowledge and good typing skill. I should also mention that not all data entry jobs are genuine. The market has so many scammers who will overwork you but end up paying you nothing. If you are looking for legit data entry jobs, check out Clickworker, The Smart Crowd, Microworker, Working Solutions, or Amazon MTURK. Overall, you can make $7 to $10 an hour as a data entry clerk. 10. Website and app testing. So many website owners and app owners want to know what the consumers think about their products. So they pay people like you to test their website's user experience and give honest reviews. Not only does this job not require work experience, but it also doesn't require any investment. The one major thing that you'll need is an internet-enabled device like a smartphone or computer. Some jobs may require a microphone or webcam or both, but that's about it. You get to make $10 or more per test, and that takes 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes you can make as much as $60 per test. Who wouldn't want that? Among the best payers are Userlytics, Respondent, User Testing, and User Feel. In conclusion, you now have 10 online jobs from home without investment. Hopefully you'll find a job that you fancy that you can pursue and make money on the side. You can start now. Before you go, here is another excellent video for you. Work from home jobs with no experience needed. Until next time, take care.